fresh off of a historic Scottsdale auction.
$175,000.
Barrett Jackson now comes to Palm Beach, and it's better than ever. Some of the most sought-after vehicles in the world are on hand.
Down, but to get down 3, out of it to get down 50,000, 60, 75, and 75, 85, and 85, 55, 85, 200 is bid, and 210, and 210,000 out of 20, and 220, and 220,000 out of it to get down 20, 30, and 230, 40, and I had to get down 240,000 out of it to get down 40, 50, and 250, 60, and now 3, and 3, and 3 you're out upstairs 2, and 300, I had to get down 300, and 300,000 out of it to get down 3, and 300,000 out of it to get up. What do you want to pay all through? 300 is bid.
Welcome guys, we are at Barrett Jackson, West Palm Beach 2024, standing in front of this AMW 1025 Demon 170 Gladiator. This is the first of its kind, the very first one that we built for the 2024 model year of the Gladiator. And we're super excited to auction it off tonight. This is an E85 capable, 1,025 horsepower, and it is going to rock the stage tonight.
This is one of one. This is our very first 2024 Jeep Gladiator for the year, and this is also the very first Demon 170 powertrain we've done.
Back in the arena at the South Florida Fairgrounds from our McGuire's On Deck camp, you see a 2024 Jeep Gladiator Custom Demon 170 pickup. A really interesting piece that will be next on the block.
Here's lot number 748. May not be emissions compliant in all 50 states. Here's a 2024 Jeep Gladiator Custom Demon 170 pickup. It is equipped with a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine. The Dodge Demon 170 producing 1,025 horsepower.
Goal we noticed just a moment ago in the McGuire's On Deck cam is a 2024 Jeep Gladiator Custom Demon 170 pickup. And a couple of these that went yesterday brought pretty big bucks.
200 is bid, and 210, and 210,000 out of 20, and 220, and 220,000 out of it.
That Demon 170 we saw earlier with ethanol, over 1,000 horsepower, 1,025 to be exact. And you can see down the front here on the hood, they have AMW 1025, America's Most Wanted, and 1,025 horsepower. And there's that Demon engine under the hood, the supercharged HEMI engine.
Now $80 out of it to get up. What do you want to pay to get up? 280 and 280,000, 275 and 280 and roll it away and 280 and 275, 80, 90 and 290 and 290 and 290 and 290,000 out of it to get down 90 on them 85.
We've seen the custom Jeep Gladiators bring big money, but this is taking it to a new level because of that Demon engine and more than 1,000 horsepower. It's got the body, it's got the style, it's lifted, it's got special suspension. I love these big beadlock tires, beadlock rims that are keeping the tire on. Every single aspect of this has been done, and boy, looking underneath, it looks essentially brand new because that's what it is. And are we at 300,000? We are so close.
Well, I'm noticing one other huge modification. The Gladiators from the factory, they stuck out a lot further. Some say it looks kind of awkward. This one has been cut in to where the bed stops just past the rear wheel to give it a little more aggressive look.
What do you want to pay all through? 300 is bid, and 310, and 310, and 310 and a half. Sold for $300,000.
$300,000.
That's going to be a tough one to beat.
That is a tough one to beat. What an event. I mean,
incredible.
The energy is insane tonight.
Yeah, we've honestly, it's been such a great event. We've met a lot of new people. We've got a lot of, we're going to sell a lot of vehicles out of this sale, and honestly, that vehicle that we put across the block today, it just looks even better in person. It stands so strong in the photos and the videos, but when you get up next to that thing, you can just tell that it's a piece of Americana, and it's going to be a vehicle that's around for 100+ years.
Yo, born in Toledo, raised in Detroit, right?
Born in Toledo, raised in Detroit.
We're excited. Thank you everyone who watched, came out, and cheered for us on this one. It was an absolutely amazing night for us, and we can't wait for the next one.
What do you want me to say?
Be excited.
Yeah.
Send it home, Jared.
Oh! yeah. All right. Well, we did great on the block tonight. And,